Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into Tailor Brands, a platform designed to help businesses, entrepreneurs, and creatives build their brand identity from scratch. If you're thinking about starting a business or rebranding an existing one, Tailor Brands offers a suite of tools to help streamline the process all in one place. Let's break down what this platform is all about, what features it offers, how much it costs, the pros and cons, and see whether it's a good fit for you. At its core, Tailor Brands is an all-in-one branding platform aimed at small businesses, freelancers, and startups looking to create a professional and cohesive brand identity. The platform provides an intuitive logo maker that's powered by AI, allowing you to design a custom logo based on your preferences and industry. But it doesn't stop there. Tailor Brands offers a comprehensive suite of tools from designing social media graphics to creating a website, even offering services like domain registration and branding merchandise. If you need to get your business up and running with minimal hassle, Tailor Brands serves as a one-stop shop for crafting a consistent and professional brand identity. Let us talk about its main features. The AI Logo Maker. The AI Logo Maker is one of the Tailor Brands' core features designed to simplify the logo design process for anyone, regardless of design experience. Here's how it works. When you begin, Tailor Brand asks you a few basic questions about your business. Based on your inputs, the platform's AI generates a wide variety of logo options for you. And after choosing a design, you can customize it further by adjusting the fonts, the colors, the layouts, and the icons. The AI process is fast, offering multiple design options in minutes, making it ideal for small businesses that need a professional logo quickly and affordably. The Website Builder. Tailor Brands also provides an intuitive website builder, allowing users to create fully functional websites without any coding knowledge. This tool integrates seamlessly the brand identity you've created. Social media tools. The platform offers templates and tools to create professional-looking social media posts. You can easily design Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn graphics that align with your brand's look and feel. Business card and merchandise design. Tailor Brands helps you create customized business cards, branded merchandise, and other promotional materials. They also handle the printing, so you can order items directly from their platform. Domain and email. Tailor Brands offers domain registration and professional email addresses to ensure your brand has a credible online presence. Branding guidelines. Once you've developed your logo and branding, Tailor Brands generates a set of branding guidelines which you can use to maintain consistency across all touchpoints. Now let us talk about the pricing. Tailor Brands offers a few different pricing tiers, making it accessible to a wide range of users. There's a basic plan that is the most affordable option, providing you with access to the logo maker and branding tools. There's a standard plan that includes everything in the basic plan, plus premium features like social media tools and the ability to create a branded website. And there's a premium plan, which is the most comprehensive, offering advanced features like a full website hosting and priority customer support, and even extended capabilities for building a robust online presence. How about the pros and cons of this platform? Let's talk about the pros first. This ease of use. The platform is incredibly user-friendly, and you don't need any design or coding skills to create a professional brand identity. All-in-one solutions. From logos and websites to domain registration and marketing materials, Tailor Brand covers all aspects of branding in one platform. The AI-powered customization. The AI-driven tools make it quick and simple to generate multiple design options that is tailored to your business. And the affordable options. Tailor Brands provide pricing options that suit both small startups and more established businesses. What about its cons? Any cons? Definitely. Limited design customization. While the AI-generated designs are efficient, they might feel limiting to users who want more creative control over their branding. Limited website builder features. Tailor Brands website builder is ideal for basic needs, but lacks some of the more advanced features that dedicated website builders offer. And ongoing costs. While the platform is affordable, some features are locked behind premium subscriptions, which may feel costly for businesses that only need a logo or branding guidelines. So is Tailor Brands a good fit for your business? Well, it depends on your specific needs. If you're a small business or a startup looking for a quick, affordable, and professional solution to get your brand up and running, Tailor Brands is a fantastic option because it simplifies the process of creating a cohesive brand identity from logos to websites and everything in between. The ease of use, paired with the wide range of tools, makes it ideal for users without design experience who need something fast and professional. However, if you're looking for more control over the finer details of your branding or you need a more feature-rich website builder, you might find the platform limited. And in that case, exploring alternatives like 99 Designs, Wix, or Luca could give you more creative freedom or functionality. But overall, Tailor Brands is a great fit for entrepreneurs and small businesses that want to establish a solid brand presence without spending a lot of time or money on the process. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.